Exercise 7.1. Complete the following statements. First one. Two line segments are congruent if, yes, what is the answer? They have the same length. If they have the same length. Okay. Among two congruent angles, one has a measure of 70 degree. Among two angles, one angle is 70 degree. What is the measure of the other angle? It is also 70 degree, right? When we write angle A is equal to angle B, we actually mean, what do you mean by that? Angle A is equal to angle B? Measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Question number 2. What is the question number 2 here? Give any two real life examples for congruent shapes. Give any two examples. Give any two examples in real life. Okay. Which are the examples for congruent shapes in daily life? Yes. What are the congruent shapes in real life? Yes. Which are the examples? The biscuit of in one pocket, earrings. First one, earrings, both are same. Bangles in one box. Biscuits. Biscuits of same brand. Pages of one notebook. These all are examples of congruent figures or in daily life. Question number 3. If triangle ABC corresponds to congruent to FED, under the correspondence ABC is congruent to FED, write all the corresponding congruent parts of a triangle. Here ABC and FED two triangles are there. We have to write congruent angles or corresponding angles. We should write corresponding angles. And we have to write corresponding sides, and one more is there, corresponding vertices. Yes. Corresponding angles. Which are corresponding angles here? Angle A is equal to angle F. A is equal to angle F. Angle B is equal to angle E. Angle C is equal to angle D. See here. Angle A is equal to angle F. Angle B is equal to E. Angle C is equal to angle D. Now corresponding sides. AB is equal to EF. AB is equal to EF. AC is equal to FD. BC is equal to ED. BC is equal to ED. Now corresponding vertices. A equal to F. B is equal to E. C is equal to D. These are corresponding parts of the triangle. both triangles. Question number 4. If triangle DEF congruent to triangle BCA, write the parts of triangle BCA that corresponds to first one angle E, second one EF, third one angle F, and then DF. Now here DEF and BCA are the triangles. First what they are asking, we have to write the corresponding angle of E. Which is corresponding angle of E? C. So you should write angle C. Second one EF. Where is EF? EF is corresponds to CA. Right? Then angle F is equal to, where is angle F? You have to see the figures. Angle F is equal to angle A. Then DF. Where is DF? DF is equal to BA. DF is equal to BA. Okay? Here angle E is equal to angle C. EF is equal to CA. Angle F is equal to angle A. DF is equal to BA. This completes the exercise 7.1. We should continue tomorrow.